Hello dear fans. How to measure speed. To find the average speed? Measure the length of the path that the body has traveled and the time it moved, then divide those values. Instantaneous speed is measured by a speedometer at every moment in time. Necessary: tape measure or ruler, stopwatch. Instructions. Step 1. Measurement of the average speed. In order to measure the average speed of the body, turn on the stopwatch or watch at the beginning of the journey and measure its length, turning off the stopwatch at the extreme point. Then divide the path length by the time to get the speed. The units of measurement will be equal to the units in which the distance is measured divided by the units of time. For example, meters per second or kilometers per hour. Step 2. Measuring the velocity of a body falling onto the Earth's surface. To measure the speed of a body freely falling onto the Earth's surface, adjust the height and body so that air resistance can be neglected. A steel or lead weight that falls freely from a height of up to 10 m works well. Measure the height from which the body falls, then multiply the numerical value of the height by 19.62, and from the resulting number, extract the square root. This will be the value of the body's velocity when falling from a given height. If the body is in flight, then to find its current speed, subtract the value of the height at which the body is at the moment from the initial height, also multiply by 19.62 and extract the square root. Step 3. Body speed with uniformly accelerated movement. If the body is moving uniformly accelerated from rest, then measure the distance that it has traveled with a tape measure or other method, as well as the travel time using a stopwatch. Then multiply the distance by 2 and divide by the time value. If the body does not accelerate but decelerates, then the distance is measured from the point of the beginning of deceleration to a complete stop. The formula is the same. Step 4. Measuring the instantaneous velocity of a body. To measure the instantaneous velocity of a body, an instrument called a speedometer is used and is installed inside a moving object. To get the value, you just need to look at its scale or electronic board. From the outside, the instantaneous speed is measured by a laser radar. To do this, aim the radar at a moving object, and its speed will be displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching.